Good morning, guys, and welcome to Dan Anna. I'm Dan, and my wife Anna is running around like crazy. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get up to you, but I think I'll wait here.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So today we're gonna look for a waterfall. We haven't found it yet, but maybe if we're lucky we can find a great waterfall. And look at this view, guys. Super nice. And today we're gonna hike home from here as well, and the hike is approximately around 4 hours. Yeah, so but what a great start of the day, and we have already walked like 1-2 kilometers straight up with stairs, so we didn't have to use the stairmaster at the hotel. Oh, so now we go back to the stairs and go up, because here we cannot go to the waterfall. So let's see if Anna can walk hard in a nice pace.
But it has been raining heavy yesterday. It's muddy.
Yeah, a few days in a row, and the stones are really slippery here as well. I almost fell like 2 or 3 times, so it's not that perfect conditions for hike here, but it's gonna be okay. Just have to lower your pace and yeah, don't fool around. It's the most important thing. It's not a child's play, this. But now I'm on safe ground. Super sweaty. It's pouring down. The humidity must be like 99 or something. But super great. You're doing great, babe.
Oh, thank you.
Just 6 more hours like this.
It's dripping from my face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 6 hours and we are on the top.
Look at this. And we just started.
Yeah, maybe half an hour, 40 minutes ago.
Yeah. So sweaty.
Huh?
Yeah. It's a good one.
Yeah. I like stairs. It's a good start of the day. So you can feel the joints, the ligaments, everything is working in your body, and that's good because we're gonna have a long hike home. So
Too much spider web for me.
So I'm first in line for the spider webs,
and I'm second to the leeches.
Yeah, so I take the spider webs and I will take the spiders. What is Ging TN? Maybe that's with a waterfall. And here is something with bars, but it's open, so I will go in here and investigate as well. Now the waterfall is still up, so maybe the sign said waterfall. Now we're just standing here and looking out, except for the electricity lines they have put just in the view. But it's not easy to have electricity up here, so I can understand why. But and another shrine. There's the top of the waterfall, so we're still climbing, but we found this little nice pathway here, and hopefully we're gonna hit the top up there. Yeah, and a restaurant or a temple or a shrine up there as well.
I mean, a waterfall. And look at this. Imagine all these shrines still green.
Yeah.
But what time of year are they green? Because now they are brown.
Yeah. And now we will go for a thumbnail. So Anna, can you jump out to that one and jump over to that one and stand out there?
Cannot
And me and the guys will wait over here.
No, I will stand behind you.
Yeah. No. I will not dare to go there. But I will go over here. Can I? Yes, I can. Can I jump there and then jump over there? I think it's okay. Go on this one, change my foot and jump to that one. No, I'll take that one, the small one in the water. Perfect. Yeah.
That was easy. Cold?
I put my hand in some shit or something, I don't know. Maybe it was poo, maybe it was just mud, moss. It can be. Yeah, up there I want to go. Up here, can I? Yes, I can. I will do the monkey up there. Perfect. And now we will see the grace of my lovely wife. She's jumping up like a ballerina. I don't have those moves in me.
I'll be careful with that thing.
Yeah. And the waterfall is running down there as well, but I cannot see. I will go around the tree out here. Nice. This was beautiful. Look at this. Super nice. We go for thumbnail. You don't see anything how high up I am. So maybe. But I still got a few meters. I'm no daredevil or something like that. I stand back here, so no need to worry about me because I'm an old dumb man. But oh, the first Vietnamese monkey. Yeah. I saw a monkey down there, but great view from up here. Really great view. So I think we got dropped off by the green roof. Green or the red roof?
Where?
I think we got dropped off by the red roof or maybe the green roof down there.
Yeah, but where's the monkey?
The monkey was down there in the puddle, but now I can't see him. With just one. So, but I have seen my first Vietnamese monkey, and there she's. Yeah. We're happy for you because the guys cannot see anything.
No.
Maybe thumbnail for you and me here because I think the view is spectacular.
Oh, yeah, I want to have that one.
Yeah, we cannot. So, like this, beautiful. So, but now we go up again and to the top of the waterfall because we're still not there. But look at this view, guys. And once again, sorry if I'm filming the views because this is for our private collection as well. So this we're gonna look at when we get home and old and wrinkly. Older and wrinklier. Sorry.
There's the monkeys here as well.
Yeah.
Ching Chin. Very well. This way. So here we have Very Well. And we are high up. It's a nice thumbnail.
Maybe thumbnail?
Maybe, do it again. great. What a view! Look at the mountains. But I don't think the cloud is with us today. Must be rain from this. Can I make it? Yes. So this is the start of the waterfall.
The camera. Easier to find the bell. Yeah, it's okay. We're filming with the GoPro. Yeah, like Anna said, this is the top of the waterfall. We cannot get any higher, we think. But I will walk up and see if what we can find over here. And here we got the gooey. Yeah, look at this root system, beautiful. And it's come from there, and I don't see any more tops. So maybe this is it. I think it is. So now we will enjoy the view, and then we start the walk back home.
Nice view with the portal. This with going down in stairs is not really our thing. It's so much easier to go up. But it's a beautiful stairway. And you're not sweaty at all going down. Just a bit afraid because some of them are so slippery. But here was a bit more dry stairways. Up there it was totally green, like walking on soap, like this one. Every single one of them.
And now the journey back home starts. 4 hours hiking back to our accommodation. So we have a graveyard here.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. Beautiful, and you see the beautiful mountains in the background. So I hope we thought maybe if we're lucky we can go up on one of these tops on the way, but here is too thick of a jungle for us, so here we cannot go up. But if we see on the back home, we will try to go up and hike along the back of the mountain instead of down here. But if it's jungle all the way, we will stay on the beaten path of Google Map. And Google Map did not choose the
not the big road.
No.
It's a smaller road, what I can see.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can maybe between some rice fields or something.
Yeah. If we're lucky, yes. And now it's gonna be a long hike, so maybe we can find a banh mi or Vietnamese coffee, or maybe a pho if we're lucky. So join us for the hike home. Pretty beautiful walk this, the rice fields and the mountain in the back, and the bicycling ladies with the nice rice hats. But absolutely stunning view. I'm turning left.
On this road, and we are looking up, look at the hills We want to walk up there.
But
And we're walking here.
too much jungle. We cannot for now, but maybe closer to the city. Because now approximately we have 2 or 3 hours on this road. Hello, 2 hour accommodation, so maybe 2 hours on this road and maybe 1 hour in the city center to walk back home.
Yeah.
But it's a nice one, great weather today again. No sun, no rain. We had a little bit of sun before and no rain yet.
Yes.
No. And it was super cloudy when we got the grab to our destination.
Yeah, so moving on like this against this fence and the beautiful over there. And one. So coffee, cheddar and one juice. Oh, sorry. Because I saw this from the street. It's orange juice. Oh, then she has a coffee.
Một ly.
Yes, one. Yeah. Huh? Một ly. Một ly. Một ly. I wonder what that is for kind of coffee. No. 2. Hi. No. We're thirsty. We want everything. And what is it? What kind of coffee is that?
I don't know, but I got one of those. So no of something.
So can it be?
I love this.
That means
No.
no have.
Don't go here. I don't have.
It just no.
Yeah.
She has a big ice cubes.
Đấy cũng không bỏ gì luôn. Không bỏ đầy, không bỏ đầy luôn.
No, perfect. Oh. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Yeah.
Yeah. Come on. Short. Now we
We'll sit down next to you.
go for the shada.
And should I sit over here?
We're here. So the perfect Vietnamese coffee. Maybe walk for an hour, so perfect.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
With a coffee break.
A perfect break, you know.
Ah,
And you can see it's strong.
yeah,
You have to wait for some time so the ice melts a bit.
yeah.
Oh, baby.
Oh, nice.
Cheers. Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Nom. And I think this is that's the Jasmine tea.
This is super good.
Yeah, I like this a lot.
Orange juice?
Yes. Orange? You want, huh? Yeah. I think she's surprised over the
Amount of drinks.
Yeah.
So we got famous free iced tea and famous Vietnam coffee, and soon Anna's going for the orange juice.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Now she's doing it. Freshly made. It's a powerful one. Gets so much juice out of one orange. And this Oh, it smells delicious. The smell from those oranges is amazing. Oh, I can wash my hands here.
No. No, good. No. No sweetener.
Oh, no.
She says sour.
I just want the sour one.
Yeah. And she said too sour.
The oranges.
Yeah.
They are so sweet.
Yeah.
Yes, please, yeah. Ice, yes, sugar, no.
Yeah, no lid, no straw. So you don't need that. So taste test before the battery. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't.
So strong and nice.
Really, really powerful.
See you on the road again. Come on. Perfect.
And taste.
This train ride here must be epic. And our next adventure, we're going to have a train trip instead of bus. So that's exciting. And now we see the city. Look at that, guys. And a big church. And the sunny hills behind them. It's absolutely stunning. So now we got sun, we got rain at the same time. But we keep going straight to the city.
We fell for lunch and look at this.
We saw calm and we like the ride, so we go for here.
I look great. Was that pork?
Pork, shrimp, chicken, egg.
Vegetables.
They got hopla.
We wait here. Let us stand in line with the rice. Oh my God! What portions?
Yeah.
It's good.
Good.
Nom.
Yeah. Come on.
Come.
Yeah, come.
Come on, chair. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
What?
We eat here.
Yeah, we eat here. Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
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 Hi.
Hi.
Ok. Và chiếc con nữa, ngoài nữa, nói luôn nè.
What a beautiful place.
Yeah, so many people.
Yeah, and this is real workers' portion. So
Yeah.
it is hard working guys and girls are eating here.
Yeah, but I got a lovely plate. But compare with his plate of rice, I got a half one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the working men here. They are hungry.
Xin chào.
Xin chào, cảm ơn. Có hai dĩa đó mẹ.
Come on. But what would I don't know what I want.
Oh, me neither. They got boiled egg, and I like me a boiled egg. I haven't had a boiled egg in a few days. But I don't want to cut in line. Because all the time.
No, we have to wait.
Đây. Đợi thêm xíu.
You think he got the frog here?
I don't think so. I looked in the bins and I couldn't see any.
maybe too fancy of a place if they don't have the fog.
Can be. I like this place.
Want the sauce? He's a gravy guy.
Để cho nó ngồi đây nè. Ăn có 3 dĩa đúng không?
Với một cái loại trường đây nha.
You want more of that one?
He got the mixed plate.
Yeah. Should we go for the? I think I will go for the same. Half an egg.
Em con cái dĩa đập đẫm cho anh nào nè. Cô em về ăn.
Một dĩa trường. Một dĩa trường.
No, the busy man, he cuts in line.
No, I don't think so.
No, I don't think so either.
Because we were the last in line for the rice. So no one. No.
Cái xưa là chưa nó ngồi đây nè.
Come on. Come on.
Chờ chút nè. Đứng anh chờ nãy giờ.
That one? Egg?
No, I took number 2 bin, so
Yeah.
you don't have to say.
No, I will take it number 1. Yeah.
Rồi ăn nha.
Come on.
Come on.
Oh, is it outside?
Okay, okay.
Oh, come on. Yeah. And I saw...
You want cheddar?
Yes, please. And I saw soy sauce somewhere in here.
Còn ai nữa không? Giờ đi bút canh nè. Bây giờ có nào mở không?
Can I take? Come on.
It's full inside, so we have to sit outside.
We are dismissed inside. Now we will. He's coming. Okay.
Ok.
Come on.
What a great place.
Nô đây, nô.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the other one. Oh, okay.
You didn't get the chili.
No.
I said yes, and he said no. But beautiful plates.
And more cheddar.
Mm.
What is this?
I don't know. I'll go for the maybe chicken. Chicken.
We have many spoons.
A lot of them. We whiteys are spoon people.
And this is? Is there some shrimp in there? I don't know.
And the guy go for more rice.
Huh? What? Big portions here. Yes, I like my meat and I like this thing.
Yeah. My chicken.
What is this?
My chicken was super spicy.
Okay.
I like that. How was the egg? And how was the rice? Because this is a rice place. Come on.
And one meat under here as well.
Oh, look at that! I got some fat gravy sauce on my meat. I will tip that over.
Yeah. You got that. I got the gravy from this meat.
I got the gravy from the egg.
You got from the
Yeah.
because I got from this meat.
Yeah. And now I will taste the meat. Good.
That was good one.
Oh, first time I eat rice with chopsticks. My skills are
Great.
horrible.
No, it's great.
No. But I try. Maybe 1 year in Vietnam, I can manage to eat rice with chopsticks. And I go for this sada.
Get this.
Yeah. So if you go to prison, the shada is in the prison. But first class food. And the gravies are super spicy out here. And I really like that.
Some chili in this one.
Yeah, we come back to sum up the price. I really don't know the price here.
No.
And it's worth every dong.
And I have so much meat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, say bye-bye. And hello. Welcome back. And the price was? Have a big guess? Because you have 3 different meats. I got 1 big meat, 1 half egg, salad, and a huge portion of rice.
120.
Your plate 120 or
No,
both?
No, both.
Mine plate was 25,000 dongs. And your plate?
25.
Yeah. So
50.
so the total was 50,000 dongs.
That was the way around.
Yeah.
I can understand why.
We're living on the wrong street. We have to move here.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I can understand why they are queuing up.
Yeah. So 25,000 dongs on this lovely place here. And now will Anna eat up, and then we will walk home. We maybe have an hour back home. But this place here, I don't know which is which. Maybe that's the sign, or maybe that's the sign. But absolutely stunning place. If you are here, say hello, go eat here. It's perfect portions, perfect portion, maybe a little bit too much, but I eat up. I need the energy to walk back home. So, let's wait for Anna, and then we eat again. Xin chào.
Hello.
Hello. And the dog is waiting for Anna to eat up. The dog don't want you to eat up. Anna, we drink, and let's go. And look at the bins again, guys. All this to choose from. And now we're on our way again. And here we got second-hand clothes, and we are back on the main street. And we couldn't find any paths to walk up the mountains, unfortunately. There are some small car roads, and we tried to 1 or 2 back down, but we couldn't reach it, unfortunately. So today it's started with a waterfall, and now we go on asphalt all the way home. But if we find something, we will try to hike that. But this is a nice hike as well.
The city. And the food places are everywhere.
Yeah, they're queuing up to this nice place.
Yeah. So food everywhere, people everywhere, and hectic street life.
We're back in the city, guys. Happening little street, you find them everywhere. Oh, Nam. Xin chào. And we got the dried fish. We got the leaves on our helmets. And shrimps. A lot of shrimps we have eaten here in Vietnam.
Absolutely delicious.
Yeah. What's that? Banh mi maybe? Yeah, it was. And melons. And here we got the flute. You want the coconut?
Yes, I will go for coconut.
Ah.
Xin chào. One coconut. One? Yeah.
Ah.
11 nha.
Monot na.
11 nha.
11. 11.
Đây là 10.
Đây là 10.
À, là mồi. Ah.
Like this?
Ok.
Okay.
Ah, come on.
Rồi đưa mốt. One.
Oh, no bag.
No.
No bag.
One à.
One.
Wanna, yeah. And you have to have a taste test with the lovely ladies.
Oh,
Ah.
come on. Come on.
Ah.
I have beautiful legs.
Oh, strong.
I'm strong.
Debo, Debo. Ah. Ah, Debo.
Quá đẹp hả? Lắm đẹp.
Long, long.
Nom lam. Ah.
And I have to say, yesterday I want to buy one of these down at the beach. It was 40,000. It was 11. I didn't buy it.
No.
Come on.
Come on, bye bye.
Want to try it?
Yeah, of course, my horse. With that beautiful background there. Ah. Good.
Yeah.
But now you cannot chop it.
No, I cannot. Maybe I can ask someone.
Find another guy or a lovely lady who can chop it for us.
Yeah, because here was so much.
Yeah, and now the sun is out. Makes me happy. And I dropped the bandana. And we got pineapple.
You want more?
No. We don't have more. We only got coconuts. Because more is a famous Swedish drink. What a success when Anna says hello to the lovely ladies in Vietnamese. She got 10 ladies shouting hello. And we got flowers. And we avoided the main road. Me and Anna saw this road and we said, oh, we go down there. So now we have turned off the Google Maps and we walked down here because of this. What's the name? No. So we saw this, we saw a lot of motorbikes, then you know it's a good street. But Ban Po. Ban Pho.
I don't know.
No.
Ban Pho.
What is Ban Pho? So rice paper pho. I don't know. And here we got the barber shop. 4 bun 40k. And hot dogs. And fishes. So it's not a wet market.
Em có độ quen bị rồi.
Nice. I really love this lively streets. Places like this make me happy. If it was closer to home, I would buy veggies here and fruits every day. But I think we got around 40 minutes left to go home. Xin chào. That was a beautiful silver fish.
Yeah.
Ah. Xin chào. Anyone got a machete? Now we go for machete hunt. Here we got, you can chopping the meat and you, hello, xin chào. And now Anna, yeah, Anna is a little bit picky here. Here is a machete. Here we got machete. No, cannot. She did not have a coconut machete. Xin chào. Okay. And jackfruit. Oh. Huh?
They have too small.
Yeah.
They have to have a big thing.
We have to have a big butcher knife. Xin chào. Huh?
What?
Chop there. Huh? Huh? Oh. Oh, come on, ladies. Yeah. Oh. Come on. Thank you, come on. What a sweet, lovely old lady. They know exactly what you were wishing for.
There's so much to eat in this one.
Yeah.
And I have saved this.
Yeah, to eat with.
Yeah.
Spoon.
And the church there.
Great place. Pumpkin. We need to make pumpkin soup someday.
Yeah.
Curry pumpkin soup. Yeah. Xin chào. Yeah, I can. I have to stand in a great spot. Here is a great spot for a taste. Hurry.
Can you hold the straw, please?
No, I cannot. I'm vlogging here. I cannot do everything.
It's a bit hard with this one.
Come on.
Good. Look at me. I'm dirty. Coconut dirty.
You're coconutty.
Coconutty.
Here we got a little bit of a quieter street, but still nice, and on our way back home. And a lot of beautiful houses. Look at this yellow house there and the other house over there. It's absolutely stunning. And we go into the hotel complex over there. At least I think it's hotel complex, I don't know. But so nice. Xin chào. He was so shocked he couldn't even find the words in Vietnamese for xin chào. So guys, he was shocked in Vietnam. So maybe he's
Even here.
So yeah. So maybe that guy is going through the thumbnail. Shocked in Vietnam. Here. Drying rice. Xin chào. Nail salon.
Drying rice?
Huh? But nice to walk on these quiet streets as well to rest my old ears. But look at the beautiful house. It's $1 million villas here. And look at the wiring. All Westerners love the wiring here. I'm not a big guy over the wiring because I don't understand it, but Another Western fellas, they really like it. I've seen a lot of videos with just wiring. Look at this. So this is just for your wiring fetish. Which one goes for which one? We're back home, guys, and today I already took a shower, and we don't have electricity for a few hours, but today only 16.4 kilometers. Took a grab there, walked up, walked down, and walked back home. So great day, awesome adventure again. You never know what to get. We tried to hike the hills, but we could not find a path up there, unfortunately. But thank you for looking at this video. Please thumb it up, make a nice comments, and see you tomorrow maybe.